Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Julene Cablas, 26 years old, a single mother for a 6-year-old son. Living at Inocencio Street, Alimujan, Iloilo. I have one brother and one sister. I am the youngest child of the family. I was able to study in University of Iloilo, took up Bachelor of Elementary Education.
Okay. Do you have any experience abroad as a domestic helper?
No, ma'am, but I work here in Philippines as a domestic helper for 3 years to a couple with one child aged 3 years old. I do all household chores like cooking, cleaning, washing, and ironing clothes, but my main duty is to take care of the child.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, fast learner, patient, trustworthy person, and responsible person, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo in your body?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I only have one small tattoo located at my upper back and it's not visible.
Okay. Do you have any surgical operation before?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to work abroad to be able to send my child in school and give all the needs of my family, and I wanted to build a house for my family.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your only child?
My parents, ma'am.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you are working there?
I usually sleep around 10 p.m. after all my work is done, and I wake up around 5 a.m., ma'am.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing?
Yes, ma'am.
In Hong Kong kids, the kids they're super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient, ma'am, and understanding to them.
Okay. If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will be focused on my work and remind myself that I need this job for my family.
Do you have any allergy to a certain food?
No, ma'am.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
When you visited the parents, friends, and relatives of your employer, will you help them and do some household chores there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of cats and dogs?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share them with the kids?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby is sick?
First that I will do is to check the temperature of the baby, and if the baby is sick, I will call the employer.
Okay, do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am. And I'm willing to extend my contract as long as my employer needs me to stay in their family.
Okay, can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please sing it.
The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again.
Okay, can you please say something to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am and sir. Hope you will select me as your helper. I am hardworking, trustworthy person, patient, fast learner, and responsible person, ma'am. I promise to serve your family with all my best. Thank you, ma'am and sir.